Fire. It can strike at any moment, destroying homes and lives, but most fires can be prevented with simple safety tips. Meet the brave firefighters who risk their lives to save others. Our team responds to emergencies like this every day. Prevention is key to avoiding tragedies. Here are simple safety tips to prevent fires in your home. Install and maintain smoke alarms on every level. Test them monthly and replace batteries annually. Avoid overloaded outlets and faulty wiring. Keep cords away from heat sources and water. Never leave cooking unattended. Stay in the kitchen while cooking, especially with oil or grease. Keep candles away from flammable materials. Never leave burning candles unattended. Create a family emergency escape plan. Practice it regularly to ensure everyone knows what to do. Ensure your home's electrical outlets are safe. Test smoke alarms monthly. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Take proactive steps to protect your home and loved ones. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action today to prevent fires and ensure your family's safety. Subscribe for more safety resources and interesting adventures. Share this video with your loved ones and spread safety. You are amazing.